Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to Fatima's journey. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a 2-ingredient drink that will help aid with stomach aches and when you can't digest your food properly. You'll be needing black salt and some water. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to pour some water into a glass. I'm only doing like a little bit more than half, but of course you can put as much water as you like into your glass. You can fill it up, you can do it halfway. Then you want to take a teaspoon of black salt, fill it up to the teaspoon, and what you want to do is you want to pour it in. You want to make sure that you don't take too much or too less of it, as this is a secret ingredient to our drink. As you can see, I'm just taking a little bit, not too much, and I'm just gonna add it into my drink, and I'm just going to stir it around to ensure that all of the salt is dissolved into it. As I put it in, you can just see that instant color change. And you want to carry on stirring it until the salt has dissolved into it, and then you'll be done. This is a really good drink. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. You guys should recommend it to your family members or anyone you know who is suffering with stomach aches or where they cannot digest their food properly. And if this is also you, then you should definitely try it out. It works perfectly. It's a really good drink that will help aid in these things, and it's just really good. And you can have it in the mornings. You can have it in the mornings whenever you want it, really. Whenever you have time to drink it. You can make it the night before as well and store it. It's just really good for you, and you guys should definitely check it out. Share it with your family members or whoever you know that is suffering with this. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys definitely check this out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment sections. Allah Hafiz.